very good morning to everyone. As Shruti just mentioned, this is going to be an overview of one of the programs that is offered by Seamedu. Uh, Seamedu is offering this B.Tech program in partnership with Ajinkya T.Y. Patil University. And out of many programs, this is one of the significant programs offered by CMEDU in the area of engineering. So it is basically the B.Tech Artificial Intelligence and Digital Systems. So B.Tech Computer Science and Technology with specialization in artificial intelligence and digital systems. Now, before I go into much detail about this program, just want to give you an overview of what is AI, right? There are a lot of different definitions, terminologies, material, and all these things are available. But in a very simple one-liner, it is basically a mechanism. It refers to a mechanism by which the machines are powered to become as intelligent as a human being, in fact even better than a human being, right? So it is basically making a machine to take decisions or imitate a behavior of a human being, right? And we have seen artificial intelligence in existence in a lot of areas these days, right? So be it autonomous vehicles, be it recommendation systems, learning mechanisms, portals, everywhere, wherever there is a informed decision to be taken with the help of data, right? So data insights uh, are used in order to take decisions. So instead of just having decisions to be taken based on intuition, artificial intelligence helps us to take decisions which are insightful and depends upon the data that is presented to it, and that's how the machine becomes intelligent, right? So we have seen these AI systems in play in healthcare also these days, right? So which was very evident how we predicted things happening in during the COVID times. Unfortunately, we are seeing it how things are shaping up in the e-commerce world, BFSI area. So artificial intelligence is making the machines to be intelligent in order to predict the behavior or forecast what's going to happen in each of these sectors. Coming to digital systems, because that is the another part of this B.Tech program. Digital systems are basically, anything that deals with digital signals for transforming, the information. So while artificial intelligence is managing and making the systems to become intelligent, these decisions are kind of broadcasted or propagated with the help of digital systems. Now, when we talk about digital systems, everywhere these days, right, from a CCTV camera to any IoT based device, which is basically the Internet of Things, right? So you want to actually switch on and off your, the lights in your office or in your residence, right? You can do it if it is IoT enabled, right? Similarly for robotics, which is basically, these days very significant use of robotics is happening in manufacturing industry, in basically anywhere where there is an automation needed. So now digital systems is also becoming absolutely important. What we have done is that this program actually, creates a synergy of the AI and digital systems. So they, both of these come together, right? And while the AI is helping to make informed decisions, help in take smart decisions, digital system is the one which helps to actually get it applied to various industry sectors, right? So this becomes a very important combination that we offer through our program on digital systems. So this program is going to equip the students with the knowledge of both AI as well as digital systems and make them more globally competitive in the area of finance, technology, healthcare, and all these areas. So having said this, having created this background of what AI is, and AI is definitely cannot be defined in one single definition. It's a big area that is getting explored. When I say AI, machine learning is embedded into it, deep learning is again inside it, We have generative AI. Everybody is using ChatGPT these days for some reason or the other, right? We are dependent on ChatGPT because that is based on the generative AI again. So it has already penetrated our lives, right? It has penetrated the way we work. So AI is one. Then digital system is also, we cannot keep ourselves away from digital systems, right? Because every organization these days is going for digital transformation, right, at their end. They are transforming the way they used to work non-digitally, non-automation way, and now they are connecting, all their devices in a smart way and making things happen in a better productive environment that otherwise was happening earlier. Right. So this B.Tech program having said this, it's a 4 years program which is going to be spread in 8 semesters. It's going to be 172 credit program, and it is basically powered by IBM. Now, there are two things which I'm saying here. One is that this program is offered by Seamedu in partnership with Ajinkya Patil University. So Ajinkya Patil University is going to be offering the degree of this B.Tech CST AI and TS, but it is going to be powered by IBM. And the moment I say it is powered by IBM, the equation changes, right? The program structure, which is I said 172 credit program spread across 8 semesters, like 4 years, is actually designed jointly by CMedu and IBM, right? So the moment IBM has come into picture, the program structure, the curriculum automatically becomes industry relevant. Okay, so it is going to be, we're going to be ensuring IBM and CMedu faculties sitting together, going to ensure that as the semesters progress from first semester to 8th semester, the faculty, the students actually get to learn all the aspects of AI, all the aspects of digital systems. They are going to be doing internships. They're going to be doing projects, which are going to be projects that IBM is going to bring right from the industry. So it is not going to be a project that are going to be cooked or decided by internal, this is how we work, how we think the project should be done. But it's going to be basically the real life problems that are going to be coming in. Similarly, the IBM is going to also help in ensuring that all the students who are enrolled in this program, they get the internship. So I'll come to this internship part and the certification part and the projects part a little later. But just to spend some more time on the program structure, the program is progressively arranged in such a way that, previous semester, the first semester, all the prerequisites are done for the second semester, and the second semester takes care of prerequisites for the third semester, and likewise. So it is progressively late syllabus with all the emphasis is on the teaching learning process in the classroom. Along with that, a huge emphasis on skill based education. So all the students who are enrolled into it, along with the theory in the classes, they will be spending a huge amount of time, like 70% of their time out of the 100% would be spent in their experience centers, right? And when I say experience center, these are the center of excellence that are going to be jointly developed and created with the help of IBM, right? Now, along with this, the way I have mentioned that it is going to be skill-based education, we have also adopted the National Education Policy 2020. Now, National Education Policy advocates holistic education. What it means is that along with the technical knowledge that the student is going to acquire in the area of AI and digital systems, the student is also going to learn things which are making him responsive to the society, right? Also helping him to acquire some knowledge, not exactly in the AI and DS only, but also to take some subjects or courses from other streams like cybersecurity, right? Like some of the courses from management, which are going to empower him to be a better engineer or a better person in the society, right? So it is basically a combination of NEP 2020 uh, way this syllabus is designed, plus the IBM vetted syllabus, right? So it becomes the syllabus becomes even more powerful that way. Okay, we have subjects which are going to be, because of NEP, the subjects are going to be ability enhancement courses, the skill enhancement courses will be there, value added courses will be there, something related to yoga, business communications, soft skills, all those things are going to be. So it's going to be a mixed bag of courses. Yes, definitely the courses which are going to be for the specialization, some courses which are support subjects, which are from cybersecurity and other courses, but whole lot of courses from the other areas which are going to make the students and empower them to be a better human being, a better person in the society as well. Okay, so this is about this, and students, when I go into more particular particularly to the AI DS subjects, you're going to be learning subjects which are related to machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, embedded systems, IoT, robotics, AR, VR, cybersecurity, cloud computing, right? And all these subjects are going to be there as part as going to be taught by the in the subject in the syllabus. Now, the second question, the second thing, and then the rest of the things I'm going to be more covering from the FAQ part of it. Like what are the frequently asked questions when our counselors or many students approach us? They have many questions in their mind, right? Particularly because there are so many different streams, so many different specializations which are offered by the other universities across the globe, right? So how does this program which we are offering sets them apart from the rest of the universities offering different programs, right? So I'm going to be actually attempting to answer some of these questions which come to us very frequently, right? So in addition to the program structure that I explained, uh, the question that comes to us, to our counselor, is how much is IBM participation? When we say, if you even see the background that I have here, is AI powered careers and building future with IBM. So, what is the penetration of IBM in our courses? So, one thing I just mentioned is that IBM is going to help us to design the program structure, the curriculum, right? They're going to help us to basically to students to do the projects, and projects from the real world problems, on the real world problems, not just any project, right? So they're going to help us in getting that thing done. uh, However, the other thing that is going to be very important is that the IBM is also going to certify our students through the different digital badges. Is we are going to provide digital badges to the students. There are two different certifications that the students are going to get from IBM. They're going to get a diploma from IBM in the area of digital data analytics, right? There is a certification in AI ML, and there are certifications in IoT as well from IBM, right? So these are the three certifications, the two certifications and one diploma that IBM is going to give. IBM is also going to be a part of this teaching learning process. So this program is also going to see the IBM experts coming to the campus and delivering the sessions, right? Their expert lectures, the guest lectures, right? So they're going to be doing that as well. They are also going to be hand-holding the students to participate in hackathons. Now, if you know, there is always a competition these days, which is a very popular competition called Smart India Hackathon, and the students from across the universities in India, pan India, they participate in that along with the faculties. So the IBM is going to actually help the students to participate in the hackathon and maybe emerge and definitely emerge as winners. So that is one part which is very important. And when we say IBM is there, so IBM already knows that what are the current industry trends. So they are going to basically bring in the education from the skilling perspective. They will basically ensure that the right tools and technologies are covered during this curriculum, right? So this is how the IBM Power is going to there. Now, in addition to IBM Power, although this seminar is we're saying that it is powered by IBM, but the students are also going to get certification from Cisco. The students are also going to get the certifications from Microsoft. So it's a combination of IBM certification. It is it also is going to be the certificates uh, from from um, from Cisco and from Microsoft as well. Okay. The third type of question which comes to us is that what kind of internship opportunities we are going to get, right? So again, one stream of internship that is going to have come to the student is through IBM. Okay, so IBM is going to help the students to get internships with their associates. So IBM is connected with so many different companies. So it's going to help the students to get internships outside. And most of the internships could get converted to a job, right? So there is a concept of PPO, which is a pre-placement offer. So many internships, if the students do very well, right, and they meet the standards of that internship, that company where they're doing internship, the internship generally gets converted to a job as well. So IBM powered internship is again something that is going to happen. So internship is yes, and finally it's also going to be uh, one of the important outcomes is that the placements. So everybody is bothered about what's going to happen to our placement. Again, just like internships, we have a dedicated placement cell which ensures that the students get the internships. The internship starts right from the sixth semester onwards, right? And the project also starts around the same time. The eighth semester is kept for research, right? So the internships and the research activities are happening. Along with that, our training and placement cell, that is a dedicated cell that we have, is going to ensure that many companies come to the campus and recruit the students on the campus, right? Again, this is going to be powered by IBM, so IBM will ensure that many companies are going to come. And needless to say that organizations which come to know that this program, which is a powerful program having a blend of AI and digital systems powered by IBM, right? Needless to say that the companies would be eager to come and recruit the students who are enrolled in this program. So these are the certain areas which the students ask the questions from, be it internships, placements, projects. What is the role of IBM? What kind of certifications we are going to get? What other than IBM? What certifications are there? How is the program structure? In all the 8 semester, what are they going to learn? So I basically have tried to cover almost everything more or less, which are kind of frequently asked questions. If any one of you have any questions other than what I have said, or if you want me to elaborate on some topic or some area that I have already covered, please free to shoot your questions, and I'll be happy to answer. So I see Atharva, I see Mr. Day here. These are the students, I guess. I also see Mrinali, Swati, Prani, Shraddha. So, and any one of them, should you want to have a question related to this area, feel free to ask. It's now open for you, all of you guys.
Thank you, Ashish ji, for that. Anyone for any questions? In case you all need any questions to be answered in the future as well, give us your number, or we will definitely get in contact with you in case you need any further details. In the meanwhile, if anyone else has any questions, please ask. We're almost on the limit of the time. So, anything from anyone?
Yeah, otherwise, as Shruti mentioned, the counselors are there. You can always visit the campus, you connect with them over the phone, and get more details about what I said. If you want to see the program structure, it's on the website, right? We have the details of certifications with us in more detail. Anybody wants to know about IBM certifications, we'll be glad to make you more clear about what we are going to offer, and we'll see you on the campus very soon. So thank you very much for attending this webinar. And I think we can we can call it off, Shruti. I think we are done.
Yes.
It's likely
All
there's
right.
no question as
Thank
such.
you,
Yeah,
everyone.
thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you.